Hi y'all, welcome back to Mama 4. I'm Cara, and in this video I'm going to share with y'all what I got from Krogers and the Dollar Tree. Alright, let's start with Krogers first. At Krogers I have this Woohoo salad mix. I got it for $1.99. It has
green cabbage, romaine lettuce, kale, carrots, red cabbage, green onions, cranberries, Greek yogurt, poppy seed dressing, and pepitas.
I probably said petite pitas wrong, but it's just the inside of the pumpkin seeds. Then I have a sweet kale salad for $1.69 because it's a Woohoo. This one have
broccoli stalks, green cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory. I don't know if I said that right. Pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, and a poppy seed dressing.
I'm trying to use better grammar, y'all, because I was sitting there reading with my kids and they kept using poor grammar. I'm like, I need to use better grammar if I want them to use better grammar to get good grades. I did use correct grammar in school growing up. This was $2.49 for this veggie tray. The twins love these cherry tomatoes. So do I, but I mostly get them for them. Carrots. MarMar and Xavier love their carrots. I like the celery, especially with peanut butter or sunflower butter. Or I eat them by themselves. And we all like broccoli. I just discovered that I don't think raw broccoli do me well. So I know it's broccoli stalks in here. And then the other ones don't have it. But what I notice when I consume raw broccoli, I feel like I'm gassy. Like I'm just burping nonstop and the taste of the broccoli is there. Is that indigestion? I think. And then I have this salt substitute because it's an excellent source of potassium. That's why I brought that. And I know, Kim, I remember you said you wanted to know how much I spend. The sauce substitute was $2.89. And then I also refill my gallons of water. That's not one I refill, but I refill 3 4-gallon bottles. Alright, so moving on to DT. I have 2 packs of pipe cleaners. I was looking for black. They didn't have black. So I'm going to use these colors. And they're going to go in my hair. Because I'm going to try to do some pipe cleaner curls. Then I have some affirmation stickers that I'm hanging up. I got 2 of each kind because I want to do a little love box for somebody. I already had a person in mind. I just basically want to bless them back. So I seen these. I wasn't ready to put together the box yet, but I seen these and I'm like, I better get them now because if I try to go back and get them, they might not be there. So I went ahead and I grabbed them stickers now, and I also got myself the same stickers they got. So this one says, just love. I had to tell myself that, y'all, with relationships, don't think about the bad things. Just love. Love somebody back that's loving you. This one says, women are angels. When someone breaks our wings, we continue to fly. This one is Amazing Grace.
Gotta pull it back in the light. Love bears all things, believe all things, hope all things, endure all things.
I got this little cute little trash can that can like sit at a desk. This not really for me because I don't need this. And I try not to collect things that I know I just don't need, but I thought it was so cute, so I would like to put this in that box. I got a huge desk calendar, and I be seeing y'all decorate y'all little planners and stuff. Well, I use that huge desk planner, and then I have notebooks that I write in, and then I have my bill planner. But I be wanting to do those little sticky notes and stuff that y'all be doing. So I'm going to use this on my bill planner. Carly and Carlton got some sketch pads. Scratch pads. And they have different colors in them. They like to draw a lot, especially in church, so I got them their own thing. The only problem is they go through a lot of paper. Lots of paper. Then I got I have some little color pens. We all like using color pens around here, including MarMar. I have 2 packs of these light bulbs that go right there. My light was out above the table. And I was there and I bought them. Normally, I don't buy these because I probably get a week out of these light bulbs. And they go out. But, hey, $1 for a week. Okay. Then I got this for Zay because Zay liked to draw in church. He needs something to be still. And with him being ADHD and autism, Zay has to move. His brain is moving. He has to move. And just because he's sitting here drawing in his notebook does not mean he's not paying attention. It's better for him to sit and do something, to listen to, for him to sit still and listen. Because if he's sitting still, he can't listen because in his head, he's telling himself, be still, be still, be still, be still, be still. So how can he pay attention? But if he's doing something, he actually can pay attention. If you don't believe me, I can set the camera up, hide it somewhere, and I will show you Zay doing something and me talking to him and then ask him to repeat it back. He will repeat it back. That's a different subject. I need to do another autism talk. But these are going to be the little stick pens. I'm going to post my little affirmations around the house. I have sticky notes to post it around the house, but it's Dollar Tree and it might not work that well. Plus, I needed some of these things because I'm always hanging curtains and stuff up to the doors in the wintertime to help keep the cold air out. That's the way I grew up, learning you put covers up to your door at night and windows, extra stuff. And then I have these stickers. I think these are kitty stickers, but I want to use these stickers on my planner. It was very hard, y'all. Oh, that's all I have for Dollar Tree. It was very hard to not buy more. I was picking up stuff and I was putting it down. Picking it up and putting it down because I'm like, ooh, Carlton likes stickers. Ooh, Carly wants this. Ooh, Xavier wants this. And I put it back down because I have too much stuff around here. I don't like having a lot of stuff. Anyway, I like these stickers. Keep it up. Much better. Keep it up. Much better. I'm going to use this like today is Friday. Same day I weighed in. The same day that I lost 2 more pounds. So I'm going to write keep it up. I'm going to put keep it up or much better or whatever. I don't know what. And then whenever I have me like a little 5-pound weight loss at one time or something, or I eat healthy, I'm just going to say big improvement or much better or something. This say, please sign and return. I don't need that. Then, oh, okay. I guess I got something for the twins. This have like stickers. They just like stickers. I can even give them these please sign and return stickers. They like stickers that much. The first page, the only page I looked at was this, and then I bought the book. Much better, great work, wow, great work. I'm going to use these. A+, nice, good job, great work. I'm going to use them. This will say, you did it, you did it, you did it. Oh, yeah. I need these to encourage myself. Actually, I'm going to be encouraged. I'm going to put these stickers around and keep encouraging myself. And that's the end of this haul. And I thank y'all for watching. I am just a mama for it.